Village One Fibro, Section Part. Kilis jong candidate kiban yo admission haka BSc Nursing jong session arjar san tegil ay lagi jong ki kategori open kategori khasi jantia kategori garo kategori order STSC kategori te kila penmi ik kerteng ban late nam ta ka counseling te shwawan pule ban pen i gidi kerteng jong candidate tengin page shwa ka notice nam ta counseling the screening of eligible candidate for the following course which will be held on 8 August kan mau gitu baro kan day prater August from 10 a.m. onward at Civil Hospital Shillong and Tura Civil Hospital Tura. The list of eligible candidate category-wise to appear for the screening is uploaded in the official website meghalaya.gov.in and meghalaya.gov.in. The candidate to produce all the relevant documents in original while appearing for the screening. The selection or nomination of candidate for the following course for the academic session 2014-5 is subject to availability of seat to be finalized, published separately. The candidate notice kadai nam taki allied course academic session 2014-5 and nam taki BSc nursing course to be for academic session 2014-5. Candidate are to produce the CE score sheet. Sekan mau ki badai jong BSc nursing ki habraya ka CE score sheet. Te kini ki list of candidate nam taka BSc nursing te ki haban late shwa ya counseling kan mawa ki haban late shwa ya counseling te kin sapan mi badai hadin ya ka list jong candidate ki ban yo admission. Kini naka open category Grisel Sat Shillong Fiona Mukim Rudalut Chegambe Donesha Sonia naka open category kini list of candidate for admission to BSc nursing for the session 24-25 Khasi Jaintia category Grisel Sat Fiona Mukim Rudalut Hejumi Kerdami Hakani Fivia Gracefully Zera, Queenie, Valency, Blissful, Shatailin, Ida Shisha, Iba Pentingan, Iba Pernai, Banda Kenmok Share, Thank to Ladap Ailot Himax. List of candidate for admission to BSc Nursing for the session 24-25 Garo category. Adap Ailot Kisentar of Counselling, Kwaro, Sopen, Chegambe, Donesha, Sonia, Prishan, Chegam, Nancy, Kakamsha, Babysha, Dangashi, Chesana, Batsheba, Gladys, and then order STSC category, Ankita, Drishti, and Barsho. Center of counseling is in Tura. So, kibadai na Tura, kihaban lake counseling Tura, kibadai Shillong, kihaban hapo Civil Hospital Shillong. Te kini kihaban lake shoya counseling, te ka finalist kinsa penmi biang andal ada counseling hapo official website jongka meghalaya.gov.in.